5, 2, 1. Okay, our first magic. What color here? Let the counting. 1, 2, 3. What color? Magic. Kosong. Nothing here. I said something complicated. Are you ready? Counting 1, 2, 3.
I'm losing my way.
I said something. 1,
Should I go?
1, 2, 3. Magic. Arya kata hold dalam tangan. Ada lubang. Ada lubang, dia masuk dan tembus ke sebelah. Yes, correct. Clap your hand. Tepuk untuk Arya. Betul Arya, macam mana awak tahu aku buat operation buat lubang tangan ni? Okey, bagi tepuk tangan untuk Arya. Okay, sambung.
I need you as a mean person. I
One more time. 1, 2, 3.
When you say where should I go? Excited. Bagi tepukan. Saya panggil berpikir dulu. Yes, berpikir. One more aku ya. One more. I want to find India. Wow. Up your hand.
Okay, are you ready? I take the magic wand here. Dalam kira 3. 1. Duduk. Awak pergi. Takut. Okay. Dalam kira 3. 1, 2, 3. Magic. Open your hand. One by one. Clap your hand to Arya. Arya, you can sit down. Thank you. Hold on. Arya, bow. Thank you. Okay.
You got 4 balls.
Yeah, I got 4 balls. Magic. From 2 and become 4.
What 2 balls?
Yeah. Yes. Clap your hand. Bagus adik kita. Now, Uncle want to do another magic. Are you ready? Ayah awak kata belakang. Belakang. Okay, bagus. Our next magic, I would like to take my favorite magic book. Yes, Arya, our next magic here. Okay. Yes, coloring book. Okay, so I want to show you inside here. We got so many pictures. Yes, but the color is not nice because the picture is not nice because no color yet. Okay, before we color the book, I want everybody help me. Belakang sikit. Okay. So I want everybody please help me to color the book. Okay. Oh yeah, the lady there. Okay. Take out your pencil color. How you can color the book without the pencil color? We do magic. Okay, I take the pencil color. I take it out the pencil color. How many of you? 1, 2, 3, 25. Okay, I take it out. Are you ready? Please catch the pencil color I showed to you. The invisible one. I showed to you 1, 2, 3. Hop. Okay, good. Parent nampak ke? Nampak? Imajinasi adik-adik kita sangat dahsyat. Tolong color the book. Color. Okay, siap. Yeah, okay. Warna dekat tangan tu lah. Okay, 1, 2, set magic. 1, 2, 3. Magic. Be open. Wow! Clap your hand. Ini bagi hadiah, okay? Tapi aku tak nak tengok adik kita berdiri. Semua enjoy magic show dengan kita duduk, boleh? So next magic, Uncle nak semua adik-adik dah warna. Dan sekarang kita nak padam. Boleh padam. Ambil pemadam. Take the eraser. Take. Yes, erase. You got it. Okay, erase. Everybody. Berdiri. Awak tak dapat hadiah. Contoh. Okay, padam. Padam belakang. Okay, now please. Say magic. 1, 2, 3. Magic. So kids, which one is better? With color or without color? With color. One more time. Color the book. Color. Sit down. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Open. Magic. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Touch the color. Yes. Lagi awak tak boleh. Sekejap. Magician kita memang jadilah. Okey, ke depan, tengok depan. Okey, tengok depan. Okey, Arya.
Auntie, Dad, there's nothing here. Arya, jam buat lagi sekali boleh? Pegang. Okey, pegang. Okey. So Arya, kita sama-sama buat magic lagi boleh? Buat macam ni. Hap. Okey. Betul. Kita masuk dalam. Okey. 1, 2, 3. Okey, awak buat. Hap. Yes, masuk dalam. Okey. Angkat sekali. Pegang. Okey, biru. Take the blue color. Blue. Yes. Put inside. Okay, good. Very good. And I take the red color. Wait.
Dia kena sini dulu. Dia tak boleh buat sebelah. Sini.
Okay, no. I take the red color, put inside. Okay. Take the green. Green color. Okay. Yeah, put inside. Okay, good. Come here. Come here. Okay, come here. Okay, turn around. Buat macam ni. 1, 2, 3. Magic. Take it out. Yes! Clap your hands!
Kalau ambil video, viralkan saya. Okey, terima kasih. Bagi tepukan gemuruh untuk our birthday girl, Arya. Koyak. RM100. Okey, terima kasih. Bagi tepukan untuk Arya, our young magician. Ayah juga Arya. Oh, dia nak coklat dia. Ambil kan? Ya, birthday girl kena buat. Semua birthday kena buat. Okey, bagi tepukan untuk Arya. So selesai lah sudah acara silap mata kita. Okey, cepat. Yang dengan cakap dia, belakang sikit lagi. Yang dengan cakap dia, betul lah kata birthday girl. Semua berdiri. Ini kali semua berdiri. Uncle nak semua kita menari sama-sama. Boleh? Lagu semua pun tahu. Lagu apa? Boleh bukan. Yang menari. Boleh, jom kita menari sama-sama.
Yes, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Are you happy, kids? Are you happy? Satu lagi lagu. If you're happy and you know you clap your hands. Semua belakang saling. Clap, clap. If you're happy and you know, then your face will surely shine. If you're happy, sambut, jump. If you're happy and you know it's stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it's stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely shine. If you're happy, stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp. If you're happy and you know it's hooray. Hooray! Yes, semua, belakang. Hooray! Nice, nice. Kena kuat sama-sama boleh. If you're happy and you know it's hooray. Hooray! Wow, terima kasih. Begitu semangat adik-adik semua.